Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD 1, 2, 3 and ae-se-anar, ae-se-aam. Colors name: orange color, black color, light blue color, yellow color, red color, brown color, dark blue color and pink color. Let's start. Dark green color. A for avocado. A for arrow. A for apple. B for butterfly. B for bat. B for ball. C for cap. C for candy. C for cow. D for donkey. D for dog. D for doll. Red color. ae-se-anar. ae-se-anar. aa-se-aam. aa-se-aam. छोटी से इमली. छोटी से इमली. बड़ी से ईख. बड़ी से ईख. येलो कलर. 1 O-N-E 1. 2 T-W-O 2. 3 T-H-R-E-E 3. 4 F-O-U-R 4. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, ae-se-anar, aa-se-aam, choti se imli, badi se ik, 1, 2, 3, 4. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.